me not have the courage to say, guys, look at this here. So me living now, no can't help me. Me never have that. So she come on and say what she say, and I eat this now.
At least, listen, at least you learn enough, you. But all they bring them, I bring down she not learn. She not learn the amount I bring, she I get bring down from the up and she not learn. At least you put your foot in your hand and you do your thing and I try to live compatible. She not. Sometimes I wonder, me go through the healthcare system before me I step up my thing to RN nurse. I mean know that work they hard. Or the fuck them people up on the upper give she.
Give me 6 big up yourself.
Put them find time for you give she and them have to America work so hard because I know what that is.
You see when she bring me down, me I tell them this.
Morning everybody, morning. TikTok police, morning. Morning.
When she bring me down, you see everything what she say, you know, when I sit through everything what she say everything for people turn against me and hate me. You see, when she see Auntie Elma, because Auntie Elma was one of me and her biggest supporter, you know. You see, when she see Auntie Elma don't turn against me, that's why she start call up Auntie Elma name. You understand?
TikTok police, me I tell one thing and come down. You're nice boy, me I watch you from back then. Watch this. You get involved with Annie. Right? You realize Annie got Barbados what they in a workout fear. She go up on the pussy selling ends in a workout fear. She link up on that man, a big good man in a workout fear. No man nasty. I don't know the problem, I don't know the reason. To start use her daughter them. Mika last night come talk because she had to feel it. Can't sit, she feel it. You could have touch her, can she feel it? Yes, she said her daughter. She get money from Jaden. But Jaden work deal with Mika and him not really want Mika. So he must style Mika and it hurt Mika. And she said last night say him don't want it on the media. And she said, everything cool, make it just go on. You understand?
Well, I know.
Annie, a your fault. Annie, a your fault. Look at now. Come rank. You support you. Come rank over here. No make nobody have nothing over here because your boy used to go your life every day. You used to go your life. You used to go your life every day. Come back over here, come rank. People may watch you. You taught the truth. You understand? She have the girl them, I use them. She's all about her damn fucking self. I not never go on to her. So she use her pitting them. Boy, come back, come rank, man.
Boy, the first madam Missy used to do go thing and not try to look the best.
I mean, I tell
all the girls that used to dance, the cartoon pan the live too. Cartoon pan the live I watch me used to dance to everybody pan the live. Me, you,
believe it or not. Me see one screen recording
with you try to look the best if you have a daughter.
Me see a screen recording with TT and Jaden D in at the back. And I remember who and I did up on the live and the person that say I have feelings for him. And then she lift up the phone and I show him in the run at the back. When them did book the Airbnb together, the whole of them man must have go Jabba's party. Who remember that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Best believe it, say Jaden sleep with Shito.
Hey, stop your lies, please. Stop your lies. Oh, yeah.
Eh? Me I say so. Half of me see, me I say so. I don't know if nobody see it and I say the same thing, but me I say so. But the thing with TT is when of people don't know is TT in the streets, you know, the work where she do alone make you know say that girl that she not easy. As in she not easy you can maybe get sleep with her 1 and 2 times, but if she not see something good with her, she not gonna stand up yourself.
You know, easy to manipulate.
Yeah. You see me, I'm gonna tell you, most girls we do that work the way TT do, have them head on them body.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Yeah?
Do you want the money? I mean, successful. If born me for the dirty.
Please big up yourself. You come and talk facts. Come down. Big up yourself and go and do your thing. You understand? So you come back live at daytime and stop calling up yourself. You want to use the out there, make the girl pussy over to you. No waste girl, and it make no sense. And you waste girl. And you waste girl. Come off of the app. Lift up. A two brick come back mad. She no come back good. That's how we go away.
Same some mistake.
In drive, when you call her straight, yeah? In drive. Cause she really pussy like in
Nobody
drive.
they will comment. Nobody now watch nobody. Foreign we are work. But me don't know how people fear work so hard and I give blood clad Annie. You know so no money I got to use this so.
Me say, not even when she on TikTok police did there. Me never seen her nothing yet. Me see she on TikTok police a play match and me jump from over Fear Live and go over TikTok police go send him 2 donuts. I don't send her nothing and I Fear Live me join first. I just can't like the woman.
Get back me chat. Anybody who I give Annie no careless because I be a careless life. Me see Annie I live with no money.
You see worse like how yeah, my brother born in the same month, the 7th of my brother birthday.
Chief, hey.
Nah, no luck with woman.
But
That's a week. Good.
You're too fine and good, man.
guys, hold on up. I'm showing my bathroom. It's building and we need some help.
We tell you, say enough is show.
Sure, I'm gonna need some.
Just tell them where you want.
Alright, I'm gonna pull a door here to come out of my room. I'm gonna go straight to my bathroom. This is the, you know what this now?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the pizza. You see the pipe, them run already.
The bowl, I go this on the face.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna go walk here, so. Come look out, you see there. There's a gold, so. So I'm going.
Nash, you know what kill the dirty woman? Cause she said the boy start him house and quick o'clock it food done. And she on TikTok they eat there out and she do a book Airbnb and go a restaurant.
She still not take a page out of TikTok police book, man.
And at that, me no want to. Me a furious and that's why I'm tell myself, say, yo, go on, I'm gonna stop come on live, come show it, you know. Cause I'm not give her no competition. If she want to sit down and be lazy, she sit down and be lazy and I do nothing. Me no want she see say me I do nothing for she. To put in a fear herself, say, yo, me no
she have restaurant. I want
no competition. No want she sit down and get lazy. And when she see this, she see it, surprise. That more reach. And more when this done and she see she drop down and catch a heart attack. But she not for dead, you know. She not for unalive, you know, but me want she drop down and catch a heart attack. And still
and people like you, people think where put your money to use.
Exactly. The money them Annie make on TikTok she can use send her daughter at school.
This morning me did dep on Auntie Elma live.
TikTok police and they don't respect our kids them. That is first thing possible.
TikTok police morning, see?
morning.
You know, say, let me tell you something. You see, younger people, we have to date older people. Now tell you the truth, brother. When I come out of a sticky situation, I'm an older man, me a date. I'm live with the man, and the man put me out on the road, brother. So the man I say, not talk to him rolling in our house. Understand? So, you know what, a person like that in our house. Why? When mother tell young people say, don't date older people, please do not date older men. If a female is young, date age.
It's for me.
It's young, date your age. Why should I never date no more old man? Me done.
Me try dating younger, like my age group, and it never work out.
Brother, try again. That's why you feel one thing of feel. Try again. Nothing beat a try than a fail, brother. If I do an exam and you fail, Panny, what you going to do again? You going to say, I'm bad. You need to go again and try, we pass. Don't date older people. Me get my test.
Big man, you bullfrog.
All I want to talk about say if you come off of the lady name. Our day when time the screen record come out with our teeth. The whole of who in our comment section start flag her, you see now? Then turn for you. Fuck who
I
not
get
like
my
you.
text. Listen, maybe I'm come and me I get the man show me out. Maybe I'm come and me I get because me dey other plan for use the man. So maybe I'm come and it's okay. Me could take me beat no, but me not date no more. Me afraid.
And I
Me no
feel
want no
like,
more old
No
man.
big
Me afraid.
man.
Me no want no old man. Me afraid
I feel
no.
like at
Me
the
no
age,
want no
man,
old
I
man.
just,
Me no want
oh,
no more
people, I
old
just the
man.
person like,
No.
me,
Me no want no more old man.
I'm all about personality. Personality, like,
So at that
I
reach
will
your
love it just
police,
because.
don't date no older woman, brother. Go date your age, brother. Cause me not date no more old man. Me tired, man. Me
Nothing
done.
is wrong with dating older woman. Nothing is wrong with that. Me not see nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that. Cause right now,
Nothing not wrong with that.
me a
I just
fan.
somebody personality. You look after people personality.
Me a
Sometimes you better you date
fan.
older woman more enough of them young girl. Cause enough of them young girl and I know if you do nothing.
Cause me a party. If you see me,
Mr.
you see a
Police.
20-year-old.
So when them ask and the daughter say, where you plan for yourself? And she just look like she's out of, like she don't know what she gonna do with her life. And she TT, she sit down right there in the middle of the camera and can't answer.
They don't know nothing about them
That's,
something they can and enough
that's
sit down
the
and
way
reason
it's
with her pay them.
hold on.
I'll say what they
That's
want
the
to be
way.
and then something they and in her
Her
reason with her
mother
pay
now
them.
motivate her for say, yo, my mother used to dance, you know. And nothing wrong with dance. Cause everyone away I forgot through a struggle
I
for
say,
her life.
Mika would have look nice in our local nursing uniform. I go and local nursing school.
They say
Right.
TikTok boss. If I ever start doing call center work too, she da
Oh,
look
God, man.
start somewhere till you
And
reach.
the
Start
girl
from
just
this,
short,
so
she just
enough,
short and
enough
neat, you
young
know.
girl are there, so them start from.
Well, I
Call
know more say this. And before you call a live, I just a live and I best believe it. You cuss about a
We don't
live.
care, we don't care. We are
What me
talking
ever say
stuff.
is, you see, before you cuss
Finish
about a live, you stop wearing one of the clothes. Come
Oh,
around,
Lord.
you not go places, I not dress. The dress where Chanel in the last week, you put it on this week. The dress where Mika in the last week, and Chanel have it. You not stop them something, man. You not get me confused. We don't know who.
Them a
We
grow
know-
in circle.
Oh God, man, we don't know who own the recycle clothes them.
Close cheap
All the
and don't
shoes, all the same boots, slippers we wanna wear to now lend. On the top you man.
Look
When
how
me see, what they missing me kind of one slippers and one dress where this mother wear. Me swear think I'm mother. Me say, Jesus Christ, oh she could have passed for your mother. And then me see Chanel in a something where Mika di avant. I say, look at Mika this. If you tap them sit them and now put on false identity.
Rick go suck your mother.
but they are mute and block them, man.
Make so much
Come on,
money.
Yeah, what you comment?
We not make money, you know. And we
What you
not
comment
rent, we
on
not
mute and
live
block?
in an Airbnb. And
TikTok.
we not wearing what not something right this one.
TikTok police, listen, you get any stripe, you should have never get no stripe. I feel like somebody because Annie get help already for make her restaurant and she play hype and start make money and throw down the restaurant and then she come back and talk about yeah,
Hello.
dance.
To the
I
rate
secure
she a move now.
Cleanest boy she ever
Anytime.
seen. That's why she obsessed with him.
Hold on, anytime she go back to build up the restaurant then
Nobody
nobody
wanna ring.
because I will never buy a food from somebody when me see
Hey,
a build themselves.
So me know say Annie a dog bed. And they go a Barbados and there with that boy, you know. And this big woman at Barbados will check for Annie, you know. Annie start to call the woman man, you know. The king shop reach
No,
out.
come and post TikTok police. I trying to find a woman careless too. Trying to find a woman a live on dog style and careless too. That's how I come cuss the boy. Suck on the mama.
No, sir.
You're so ignorant fear when anytime she come and talk about.
And when you there with that, I come up on live.
No, TikTok boss.
boss.
TikTok boss, you may have to ask. How much pum pum she have?
Oh,
Annie?
how much?
Yeah, can't carry one.
That a one, me know she have no one woman have.
You must have some visible one.
Me say the woman all come out and tell people say me buy it up. Me say hey, Jesus Christ. Me say The longest and the most you ever see me kiss her upon the life.
Nurse Van. Some I want to forget mute, you know. Some I want to forget mute and not even TikTok police phone a ring.
I can mute Nurse Van. And I nothing more to say. Only watch. Only watch she can watch you now.
TikTok
See,
police.
when you go over the stinking mouth woman live, as you open your mouth, she mute, you know.